Welcome to the virtual tour of this Pattison, Texas home. It's 1.5 stories in elevation. With a 2-car oversized garage, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on 1.2 acres. Wow, it's amazing. Look at that front porch. Let's take a tour of the inside. This is definitely a place you can call home. 2,380 square feet. The staircase is right off the foyer, carpeted. Never flooded, only minutes west of Katy. Get away from the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy the peace and quiet of country living in this lovely, well-maintained, custom country home. Situated on a park-like 1.2 acre lot with no back neighbors. The peaceful Whispering Oaks neighborhood. The home was designed wonderfully and built for its current owners and is a must-see. The home features 2 new solar-assisted AC units, zoned cooling with all new ductwork, 2 new heaters, 2 new water heaters, a country kitchen with all new appliances with the exception of the refrigerator, an electric oven, gas connection is available, a dishwasher never used, new carpet in the bedrooms, and the roof is only 5 years old. This home also features spacious rooms with lots of natural light. There's also a huge bonus room with built-ins, a screened-in back porch with attached deck, perfect for enjoying nature and the beauty of the outdoors. This home really does have it all, with an abundant amount of storage in the kitchen with the cabinets, beautiful contrast with the countertop colors and the backsplash. You will really enjoy this country kitchen. Three full bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, 2,380 square feet of space, and lots of property surrounding you. A nice screened-in back porch, which is perfect. You can sit out here in the evening and not have a care in the world. And then the yard continues, and it's so beautiful with no back neighbors and your very own deck. Contact the listing agent and make this your home.